Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. Today I will show you that how you can connect your file in white with make.com to automate your task, and you can do anything related to file request using make.com. So first of all, once you purchase that, you have to install in make.com in your organization, and then you have to do is that you have to do the connection. Once you choose your desired module from all the available modules, then you can do is that you have to connect your account first. So when you are connecting an account, you have to require different things, which will include the name, the app, the username, the password, client ID, and client secret. Normally, it will look like that you have to create a connection, but if you have already done, you can simply click on add. I will click on add to show you that how it can be done. So you need a region, client ID, client secret, username, and password, and then the app code. App code is something that you will get from us once you purchase that. So for that, you have to go to your file invite, and I will show you that the region, client ID, and client secret. So this is your region that your starts with, and then if you go to your settings, API, and webhooks, then here you can create your client ID and secret. So I have already created it. So simply I'm going to grab it and come up to make. I'm going to choose my region US. Client ID is pasted. Copy the client secret. Paste it. Now you need a username and password. Username and password is something that is your login details for your file invite. So I'm going to use my password is this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter your code. In my case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the code that you get from us once you purchase the app. And then you have to do is that click on save. Once you click on save, it will open the window. It will authorize the code, app code, and then authorize will check that all the other details that you inserted. If it's all good, now the connection is done. Now you can get the webhook that you have to install. In this particular case, I'm going to grab that webhook, save it, and this will give you a new webhook to use it. And I'm going to copy it and save it. And then where you have to do is that you have to go to your file invite under the webhooks. Under the webhooks, then you can do is that click on add webhook, and then you can install your webhook here, and then you can choose whatever you want to get on that webhook. So either when the contract is created, updated based on your required automation, you have to choose the webhook. In my particular case, I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to do is that when the request status is added, invite sent, and invite status updated. I believe invite sent and status updated is what I'm looking for. So simply click on save webhook and then come back. Now in this particular scenario, I've done is that now it is looking for watch events. If the event is new, then I'm going to get the invite, get the contact, and creating the contact on monday.com. If the event is file invite status is completed, I'm going to get the invite, iterate to all the questions that we have into that file, searching that item using invite ID, and then creating an update, updating the value of specific item to status done, and move item to a different. I'm going to show you on monday.com that how it looks. So this is one for the new ones. So once it is created, it will push it here, and once it completed, it will push it here. And you can see that then white ID is here and the status is completed, and all the question and answers goes here into the update bucket. So that's this automation is doing, and you can do it whatever you're required to do in your business. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a